Course: The Complete 8Z Blueprint to Building, Growing and Monetizing a Successful YouTube Channel. 10 modules times 100 plus strategies times actionable frameworks. Table of Contents. Module 1: Foundations, Mindset, Niche and Channel Strategy.
3,
Module 2: Channel Setup and Branding.
6,
Module 3: Content Planning and Strategy.
10,
Module 4: Video Production Mastery.
14,
Module 5: Video Editing and Post-Production.
18,
Module 6: YouTube SEO and Discovery.
22,
Module 7: Audience Growth and Community Building.
27,
Module 8: Monetization Strategies.
31,
Module 9: Analytics and Data-Driven Growth.
36,
Module 10: Scaling, Automation and Long-Term Success.
40.
This book is your complete roadmap from zero to a thriving, monetized YouTube channel. Whether you're a complete beginner or an intermediate creator looking to accelerate growth, every module is packed with proven frameworks, real-world tactics, and step-by-step guidance. Work through each module in order, apply the action items at the end of each section, and you will build a YouTube channel you're proud of. Module 1: Foundations, Mindset, Niche and Channel Strategy. 1.1: The YouTube Creator Mindset. Before you record a single frame, you need to understand one truth: YouTube is a long game. The channels you admire took years, thousands of hours of effort, and hundreds of failures before they became successful. Successful YouTubers share a set of mental frameworks that keep them moving when growth is slow. The growth mindset. Embrace the belief that your skills, presenting on camera, editing, storytelling, are all learnable. Your first 10 videos will be rough. That's a feature, not a bug. Every video you make teaches you something your competitors who never started will never learn. Patience, commit to 90 days before judging your results. Learning, study your analytics after every video and ask what you can improve. Resilience, treat every comment, even harsh ones, as market research. Focus, compare yourself only to your previous video, not other channels. The business mindset. A YouTube channel is a media business. Treat it like one from day one. This means setting work hours, tracking metrics, reinvesting earnings, and planning your content calendar in advance. Creator mindset pillars. Consistency beats perfection. Publish on schedule, always. Value first. Every video must solve a problem or entertain genuinely. Audience obsession. Know your viewer better than they know themselves. Data literacy. Let numbers guide decisions, not ego. Community first. Your subscribers are partners, not just viewers. 1.2: Finding your niche. Your niche is the intersection of what you love talking about, what you're credible at, or can become credible at, and what people are actively searching for on YouTube. Niche selection is the single most important strategic decision you'll make. The niche selection framework. Use the following three-circle model to identify your sweet spot. Passion. What topics could you talk about for hours without being paid? Expertise. What do you know or experience that others value? Demand. Are people actively searching for content in this space? Broad topic. Niche assessment. Finance investing. High CPM, passionate audience, very competitive. Personal finance for millennials. Strong niche, monetize well. Personal finance for new immigrants. Micro-niche, low competition, loyal audience. Tech reviews. Huge demand, extremely competitive. Budget tech reviews under $100. Strong sub-niche, defined audience. Health and fitness. Evergreen, competitive, good CPM. Postpartum fitness for moms. Clear avatar, passionate community. Niche validation checklist. Search your niche keyword on YouTube. Are there channels with 100K plus subscribers? Are there channels growing in the last 12 months, not just legacy giants? Are people commenting, engaging, and asking questions? Are brands advertising in this niche suggests advertiser demand? Can you commit to this topic for at least 3 to 5 years? Pro tip. Niche down to scale up. Counterintuitive truth, the narrower your niche, the faster you grow initially. A tight niche builds a loyal, cult audience that subscribes and returns. Once you dominate a micro-niche, you can expand, not the other way around. Example, start with keto for women over 50, grow, then expand to general keto. 1.3 Defining your channel strategy. Strategy answers the question, what kind of channel are we building and for whom? Without a clear strategy, you'll create random content that attracts random viewers who never subscribe. The Channel Pillars Model. Define 3 to 5 content pillars, recurring themes that every video falls into. This keeps your channel coherent while giving you variety. Example for a personal finance channel. Pillar 1, Budgeting and Saving Tips. Pillar 2, Investing for Beginners. Pillar 3, Side Hustle Income. Pillar 4, Debt Payoff Journeys. Pillar 5, Product and App Reviews. Defining your ideal viewer. Write a one-paragraph profile of your ideal subscriber. Include their age range, occupation, biggest problem, what they watch on YouTube, and what transformation they want. Every video decision, topic, thumbnail, title, tone, should serve this specific person. Module 1 Action Items. Write your creator mission statement, 1 to 2 sentences on who you serve and how. Complete the niche validation checklist for 3 potential niches. Define your 3 to 5 content pillars. Write your ideal viewer profile. Commit to a publishing schedule, weekly is the minimum recommended. Module 2. Channel Setup and Branding. First impressions that convert visitors into subscribers. 2.1 Creating and optimizing your YouTube account. Your channel page is your storefront. YouTube reports that a well-optimized channel page can convert 20-40% more browse visitors into subscribers compared to a poorly optimized one. Every element matters. Account setup steps. Create a Google account dedicated to your channel, separate from personal. Go to YouTube Studio and create your channel with a clear, searchable name. Choose a brand account so multiple managers can access it. Verify your account via phone to unlock custom thumbnails and longer videos. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your channel. Channel name best practices. Keep it short and memorable, to 2-3 words max when possible. Make it searchable. Include your niche keyword if it fits naturally. Avoid numbers, underscores, or special characters. Check that the name is available across social platforms too. Your own name works great if you're building a personal brand. 2.2 Channel art and visual branding. Professional visual branding signals to a first-time visitor that you are a serious creator worth subscribing to. You have roughly 3 seconds to make that impression. Profile picture. Your profile picture appears everywhere on YouTube, next to your video title, in comments, in subscriptions. It is your visual logo. Use a high-quality photo of your face, personal brands, or clean logo, brand channels. Optimal size, 800 x 800 pixels, saved as PNG. Ensure it's legible at tiny sizes, 32px circle in comments. Use a bright, solid background to stand out in dark light modes. Channel banner, channel art. The banner is the first visual that spans your entire channel page. It must communicate your channel's value proposition instantly. Element. Specification. Notes. Total banner size 2560 x 1440px. For all devices. Safe text area 1546 x 423px, center. Visible on all screens. TV display. Full 2560 x 1440px. For smart TVs. Desktop. 2560 x 423px strip. Most common view. Mobile. 1546 x 423px center. Always visible. Include your channel name and value proposition in the safe zone. State your upload schedule, new videos every Tuesday. Use brand colors consistently with your thumbnails. Keep design clean, avoid cluttering with too many elements. Channel trailer. The channel trailer autoplays for non-subscribers. It is your most powerful conversion tool and should be 60 to 90 seconds long. Structure it as follows. Hook, 0 to 5 sec. Start with your viewer's biggest problem or a bold statement. Promise, 5 to 20 sec. Tell them exactly what they'll get on this channel. Social proof, 20 to 40 sec. Show clips of your best content. Call to action, 40 to 60 sec. Tell them to subscribe and what to expect. Branding consistency rule. Use the same 2 to 3 colors across banner, thumbnails, end screens, and community posts. Use the same 1 to 2 fonts in your graphics and thumbnail text overlays. Your visual brand should be instantly recognizable mid-scroll in the feed. Free tool, Canva Pro has YouTube-specific templates for all channel assets. 2.3 Channel description and about section. Your channel description is indexed by YouTube's search algorithm. It's also the first thing a potential subscriber reads when deciding if your channel is for them. Write it in 2 parts. Part 1. The hook, first 150 characters. YouTube shows only the first 150 characters in search results. Make them count. State exactly who you help and what transformation you provide. Example, helping first-generation investors build wealth from scratch, weekly investing tips, stock analysis, and financial freedom strategies. Part 2. Keywords and detail, full description. use the remaining space, up to 1000 characters, to naturally include relevant keywords, your posting schedule, links to featured playlists, and contact information for brand deals. 2.4 Playlists and channel organization. Playlists are one of the most underused growth tools on YouTube. They increase watch time, improve session duration, and improve your channel's SEO ranking. Create playlists for each content pillar. Use keyword-rich playlist titles and descriptions. Add every video to at least one playlist immediately upon publishing. Feature your best playlist on the channel homepage. Create a Start Here playlist for new visitors. Module to action items. Design and upload your profile picture, 800 times 800 PNG. Create your channel banner using the safe zone specifications. Write a keyword-rich channel description, 150 hook plus full version. Record and upload your channel trailer. Create playlists for each of your content pillars. Organize your channel homepage sections strategically. Module 3. Content planning and strategy. Engineering viral-worthy videos before you press record. 3.1 The content research system. The biggest mistake creators make is choosing video topics based on what they feel like making, not what their audience is actively searching for. Professional creators build a research system that consistently surfaces high-demand, low-competition topic ideas. YouTube Search Autocomplete. YouTube's autocomplete feature reveals exactly what real users are typing into the search bar. Type your niche keyword followed by each letter of the alphabet and note every suggestion. These are gold mines of real demand. Competitor analysis. Find the 5 to 10 most successful channels in your niche. Sort their videos by most popular and study the top performers. Ask, what made these videos take off? What topic, title, and thumbnail formula can I learn from? Look for videos with views significantly above their channel average. That's a signal. Study the comments sections of popular videos. Comments is equal to future video ideas. Use free tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to see keyword scores. Keyword research tiers. Type. Example. Strategy. Head keywords. 1 to 2 words, example investing. Huge volume, extreme competition, avoid as main focus. Body keywords. 3 to 4 words, example investing for beginners. Good volume, moderate competition, use strategically. Long tail keywords. 5+ words, example, how to invest $1,000 for beginners. Lower volume, low competition, ideal for new channels. Question keywords. How to, why does, what is. High intent, good for tutorials and explainers. Trending keywords. Current events, news in your niche. Temporary spike, used to ride trends. 3-point to the viral video formula. Viral videos on YouTube almost always follow one of 6 proven formats. Understanding these formats allows you to engineer high-performing content from the start. The 6 core video formats. How to tutorial, how to achieve result in time frame. List video, X ways things tips to achieve result. Review comparison, product A versus product B, which is better? Story case study, how I achieved impressive result in time frame. Reaction opinion, the truth about popular topic. Challenge experiment. I tried unusual thing for 30 days. Here's what happened. The 3S hook formula for titles. Specific. Name the exact person, number, or outcome. I made $10,000. Self-interested. Answer. What's in it for me? In the title. Surprising. Include an element that defies expectations without a budget. Example. I made $10,000 on YouTube without showing my face. All three. 3.3 Title Writing Mastery. Your title is the single most important factor in whether someone clicks your video. A great video with a weak title will underperform. A mediocre video with a great title will overperform. Master the craft of title writing. High CTR title patterns. How I result in time frame without common objection. Number things ways mistakes that bold claim. The real honest brutal truth about topic. Stop doing wrong thing. Do this instead. I tested X things services strategies so you don't have to. Why? Surprising statement. Most people don't know this. Title optimization checklist. Is the most important keyword in the first 3 to 5 words? Is the title under 60 characters to avoid truncation on mobile? Does it create curiosity without being clickbait? Does it make a specific promise or claim? Would you click it if you saw it in your feed? 3.4 Thumbnail Design Psychology. Thumbnails are the visual equivalent of a billboard. You have 0.3 seconds to catch a scrolling viewer's eye. Every element of an effective thumbnail is intentional. The 4 elements of a click-worthy thumbnail. Contrast. Use colors that pop against YouTube's dark and light backgrounds, white, yellow, orange, red. Face and emotion. Human faces with clear, exaggerated emotions dramatically increase click-through rate. Text overlay. Use 3 to 5 words max in bold, large text that complements, not repeats, the title. Visual story. Show the result, not the process. Example, show the finished meal, not the cooking. Element. Recommendation. Reason. Text amount. 3 to 5 power words. More text is equal to smaller, unreadable text. Font size. Minimum 80 pt. Must be readable at 120px. Mobile. Colors. Max 3 contrasting. Yellow, white, red perform best. Faces. Eyes visible, facing camera. Direct eye contact is equal to more clicks. Background. Simple, not busy. Complex backgrounds distract. Emotion. Exaggerated, surprise, joy. Subtle expressions don't translate. 3.5 Content calendar and batch production. Consistency is the #1 growth accelerator on YouTube. A content calendar removes the decision fatigue of what should I make next and ensures you never miss a publishing day. Building a 90-day content calendar. List 90+ topic ideas using your research system. Group them by content pillar. Sequence them. Start with your highest confidence topics. Assign a publish date to each video. Batch record 3 to 5 videos per session to maximize flow state. Batch production system. Record 4 videos in a single day, same setup, 1 in the zone session. Edit 2 videos per day. Systems and templates speed this dramatically. Always stay 2 to 3 weeks ahead of your publish schedule. This buffer removes stress and allows polish before publishing. Module 3 Action Items. Build a 90-day content calendar with specific titles. Research and validate keywords for each planned video. Create 5 thumbnail mockups using Canva. Write 10 video titles using the CTR patterns above. Establish a batch recording day in your weekly schedule. Module 4. Video Production Mastery. Creating professional quality videos on any budget. 4.1 Equipment at every budget level. Equipment matters far less than most beginners think. Poor audio will kill a video faster than poor video quality. Start with what you have, invest in audio first, and upgrade progressively. Budget tiers. Level. Recommended setup. Notes. Starter, $0 to $200. Smartphone plus natural light plus $20 lav mic. Perfect to start, no excuses needed. Beginner, $200 to $600. Entry DSLR or mirrorless plus ring light plus Blue Yeti mic. Significant quality leap. Intermediate, $600 to $2,000. Sony ZV-E10 or Canon M50 Plus LED panel kit plus Rode mic. Professional look. Advanced, $2,000 plus. Full frame camera plus 3-point lighting plus Shure SM7B plus acoustic treatment. Studio quality. The equipment priority order. Microphone, audio quality is non-negotiable. Viewers forgive mediocre video, they leave for bad audio. Lighting, good lighting transforms any camera. A $30 ring light on a smartphone beats a $2,000 camera in a dark room. Camera, your phone camera is excellent. Upgrade when audio and lighting are already solid. Background, a clean, contextually relevant background helps. An untidy background kills credibility. Accessories, tripod, external monitor, teleprompter, nice to have, not needed to start. 4.2 Lighting setup. Light is everything in video production. The right lighting makes you look credible, professional, and trustworthy. The wrong lighting makes viewers distrust the content subconsciously. 3-point lighting setup. Key light, your main light source, placed at 45 degrees to your face, slightly above eye level. Fill light, softer light on the opposite side to reduce harsh shadows from the key light. Backlight, rim light placed behind you to separate you from the background, adds depth. Natural light setup. If you're using natural light, always face a window, don't have it behind you. Film during the golden hours, 1 to 2 hours after sunrise or before sunset, for soft, flattering light. Use a white reflector card to bounce light back onto your face. 4.3 On-camera presence. The camera is a lens, not a wall. The best on-camera personalities treat the camera as a single viewer, their best friend. This section covers the techniques professional presenters use. The PACE framework. PACE, vary your speaking pace. Speed up for excitement, slow down for emphasis. Articulation, speak clearly. Practice tongue twisters before recording. Confidence, use confident body language. Sit up straight, gesticulate naturally. Energy, your natural energy is amplified on camera. You must be at 120% of your normal energy. Eliminating filler words. like, so. Basically, filler words destroy credibility and make editing harder. The cure is the pause. When you feel a filler word coming, replace it with a confident, silent pause. It sounds better and adds gravitas. On-camera confidence tips. Do a 30-second warm-up, talk about your day, sing a song, anything to loosen up. Imagine one specific person you're helping, talk to them directly. Record a junk take first, let yourself be bad, then start the real take. Use a teleprompter app for scripts but glance down only between points. Review your first 3 videos once, extract lessons, then never watch them again. 4. Full script. Write every word, use teleprompter. Beginners, complex topics, high accuracy needed. Bullet point outline. List key points, speak naturally. Intermediate creators, conversational topics. Framework script. Script intro outro, outline the middle. Best of both worlds, most popular method. Freestyling. Talk from knowledge, heavy editing. Expert topics, experienced presenters only. The past script structure. Problem. Open by stating the problem your viewer is experiencing. Make them feel seen. Agitate. Depain the problem. Why is it painful? What are the consequences of not solving it? Solution. Present your solution. Walk through it step by step with clear, actionable detail. CTA. End with a clear call to action. Subscribe, watch the next video, download a resource. Module 4 Action Items. Audit your current setup. Identify the number 1 improvement, usually audio. Set up a 3-point lighting arrangement or identify your best natural light spot. Practice the PACE framework by recording a 2-minute warm-up video. Write your first full script using the PACE structure. Record 3 practice videos, watch them back and note 3 improvements each. Module 5. Video editing and post-production. Turning raw footage into compelling, watch-worthy content. 5.1 Editing software comparison. Software. Cost. Best for DaVinci Resolve. Free $295 one time. Best free option, professional grade color grading. Adobe Premiere Pro. $55 per month. Industry standard, best plugin ecosystem. Final Cut Pro. $299 one time. Mac only, fastest render, Apple optimization. CapCut. Free. Best for mobile short form, quick social edits. iMovie. Free, Mac iOS. Perfect starter tool before upgrading. 5. To the YouTube Edit Framework. Every YouTube video edit should follow a structural principle. Remove anything that doesn't serve the viewer's interest. Your job as editor is to create the most efficient, engaging path from problem to solution. Pacing principles. Cut every pause longer than 0.5 seconds. Jump cuts are a YouTube staple. Cut filler words, like, use the audio waveform to find and remove them. Add B-roll over long talking head segments, every 30 to 45 seconds minimum. Use zoom-ins, digital, to add visual interest without additional filming. Speed up non-essential explanatory sections by 10-20%. The retention-killing edit mistakes. Slow intros, If you haven't delivered value by the 30-second mark, viewers leave. Logos and outro music that run for 10 plus seconds before the content starts. Repetitive B-roll, using the same stock clip more than once. Jump cuts without purpose, cut to serve the viewer, not just to cut. Inconsistent audio levels, music too loud, voice too quiet. 5.3 Audio post-production. Audio is where most creators lose viewers they'll never get back. Even viewers who don't consciously notice bad audio unconsciously feel uncomfortable and disengage. Audio processing chain. Noise reduction. Remove background hum and room noise. Use Isotope RX or Resolve's noise reduction. EQ. Roll off everything below 80 Hz. Room rumble. Boost presence at 25 kHz. Vocal clarity. Compression. Smooth out volume differences so quiet parts are louder and peaks are controlled. De-essing. Remove harsh, SSS sounds that are painful through earphones. Limiting loudness. Target -14 LUFS for YouTube, the platform's normalization target. 5.4 Music, sound effects and B-roll. Music licensing. YouTube Audio Library. Free, no attribution required, safe for monetization. Epidemic Sound, $15 per month premium royalty-free music, popular among YouTubers. Artlist, $199 per year high quality, used by professional filmmakers. MusicD, $16.99 per month best for cinematic, documentary-style content. Music best practices. Music should be felt, not heard. Keep it 20-30 dB below your voice. Match tempo to content energy. Fast music for exciting sections, soft music for emotional moments. Always cut music on a beat for clean transitions. Fade out music 0.5 1 second before the end of a section. 5.5 End screens, cards and CTAs. YouTube provides built-in promotional tools that extend watch time and grow your channel. Using them correctly is one of the highest ROI tasks in video production. End screen best practices. Add end screens to the final 20 seconds of every video. Feature, best for viewer. YouTube auto-selects as one card, it converts best. Add a subscribe button element to every end screen. Reference the end screen verbally. Watch this video next, it'll, specific benefit. Module 5 Action Items. Install and learn the basics of your chosen editing software. Edit a 10-minute video and time how long it takes. Track this weekly. Build a base audio chain, noise reduction, EQ, compression, limiting. Create an editing template with intro, outro, and graphics pre-built. Source a music library, YouTube Audio Library minimum, for all future videos. Module 6. YouTube SEO and Discovery. Making your videos findable by the right people. 6.1 How YouTube's algorithm works. YouTube's algorithm has one job: keep people on YouTube as long as possible. It does this by recommending videos that viewers will watch completely. Understanding this changes how you create content forever. The two algorithm phases. Discovery phase. YouTube decides who to show your video to. This is driven by CTR, thumbnail plus title performance, and your channel's existing audience profile. Evaluation phase. YouTube decides whether to keep recommending your video. This is driven by watch time, average view duration percentage, likes, comments, and shares. Key ranking signals. Signal. What it means. Click-through rate, CTR. Percent of impressions that result in clicks, aim for 4-8%. Average view duration. Average minutes watched per view. Watch time, hours. Total hours of your video consumed. Audience retention percent. Percent of video watched, 50% plus is excellent. Likes comments ratio. Engagement relative to views. Session watch time. Does your video start a watching session? Subscriber conversions. How many viewers subscribe after watching? 6.2 Video SEO, on-page optimization. Video title optimization. Your title serves to masters the algorithm, keyword placement, and the human, compelling, click-worthy language. Put your primary keyword in the first 5 words of the title. Then make the rest of the title compelling for humans. Video description optimization. YouTube reads your description to understand your video's topic. A well-written description also shows up in Google search results, driving additional organic traffic. First 2 sentences, your keyword-rich summary of the video, appears in search snippets. Timestamps, chapters linked to key moments. This creates clickable chapters and signals structure. Resources mentioned, link to tools, products, or other videos you referenced. Social links, link to your other platforms. Keywords, naturally use 3 to 5 related keywords in the full description body. Tags, the correct strategy. Tags are less important than they once were, but they still help YouTube understand your video's context. Use tags in this hierarchy. Tag 1, your exact primary keyword phrase. Tags 2 to 5, variations and close alternatives of your primary keyword. Tags 6 to 10, related broader keywords in your niche. Tags 11 to 15, your channel name and branded terms. 6.3 The retention curve and audience retention. Audience retention is the percentage of your video that viewers watch on average. YouTube publicly says this is one of the strongest ranking signals. A video with 60% average retention will almost always outrank a video with 30% retention, even if the latter has more views. Anatomy of a perfect retention curve. 0 to 30 seconds, the hook, typically 15-25% drop-off here is normal. Anything over 30% drop-off means your intro is too slow. 30 seconds middle should hold relatively flat. Drops at specific points is equal to viewers leaving during low-value sections. Final 20% always drops as viewers leave before the end. Extend average retention by giving a teaser of what's coming. Retention tactics that work. Open loops, tease something you'll reveal later in the video. Pattern interrupts, change the visual, tone, or pace every 2 to 3 minutes. Progress indicators, tell viewers where they are, step 3 of 5. Re-engagement prompts, stay until the end because. Backed by a real payoff. Story arcs, weave a narrative through educational content for emotional investment. 6.4 YouTube Shorts Strategy. YouTube Shorts, vertical videos under 60 seconds, have become a powerful discovery engine for main channel growth. When done strategically, Shorts funnel new viewers to your long-form content. Shorts best practices. Hook must land in the first 1 to 2 seconds, no intro, no context, straight to value. Add text captions. 80% of shorts are watched without sound. End with a clear CTA, follow for part 2, or watch the full video. Post shorts consistently, 3 to 5 per week, for algorithmic momentum. Repurpose long-form highlights into shorts. Watch your analytics to find top moments. Module 6 Action Items. Audit your last 10 videos CTR and retention in YouTube Studio. Rewrite titles of your 3 lowest CTR videos using the optimization framework. Update video descriptions with timestamps and keyword-rich summaries. Install vidIQ or TubeBuddy and run a keyword analysis on your next 5 video ideas. Plan your first 5 YouTube Shorts repurposed from existing content. Module 7. Audience growth and community building. From subscribers to a loyal, engaged community. 7.1 The Community-First Growth Model. The fastest growing channels on YouTube in 2024 to 2025 share a common trait: they treat their subscribers as community members, not just viewers. Community-driven channels have higher retention, more word of mouth, and significantly higher conversion rates for products and memberships. The 5 levels of audience connection. Awareness: they've seen one of your videos. Interest: they watch multiple videos and recognize your name. Connection: they subscribe and consider themselves fans. Community: they comment regularly, attend live streams, interact with other fans. Advocates: they recommend your channel to others unprompted. Your goal is to move as many viewers from level 1 to levels 4 to 5 as possible. Community posts, live streams, membership, and direct replies are your tools. 7.2 The subscribe and return loop. Getting a subscriber is step 1. Keeping them is the real game. YouTube's subscription system is weak. Most subscribers never see your videos in their feed unless they've set notifications. You must create magnetic content that makes viewers actively seek you out. The Cliffhanger Series Strategy. Create video series where each video promises resolution while creating new questions. Series have significantly higher subscriber retention than standalone videos because viewers invest in the narrative arc. Plan 3-part or 5-part series in advance. End each episode with a teaser for what's next. Group series into a dedicated playlist. Use consistent thumbnail design so the series is visually recognizable. 7.3 Comment Strategy. YouTube's algorithm weighs comments as one of its top engagement signals. A channel with 100,000 views and 500 comments will receive significantly more algorithmic distribution than one with 100,000 views and 10 comments. The Comment Engagement System. Reply to every comment within the first 24 to 48 hours of publishing. Algorithm Golden Window. Pin a question as your top comment to encourage responses. Ask a specific, easy-to-answer question at the end of every video. What's your biggest niche challenge? Drop it below. Heart comments from loyal viewers to encourage repeat engagement. Never delete negative comments. Respond professionally. It shows maturity. 7.4 Collaborations and cross-promotion. Collaborations with other creators are one of the highest ROI growth strategies available. A well-matched collaboration can add thousands of subscribers in days. Finding collaboration partners. Target channels 20-50% larger than yours for the biggest boost. Look for creators in adjacent niches, same audience, different angle. Start by engaging genuinely with their content before pitching. Propose a collaboration format where both audiences benefit equally. Collaboration formats. Format. How it works. Collab video. Create one video together, publish on both channels. Channel swap. Each creator makes a video for the other's channel. Podcast appearance. Be a guest on their podcast video series. Community shoutout. Mention each other in community posts or end screens. Challenge collab. Do the same challenge, share results, link to each other. 7.5 Community posts and multi-platform strategy. Community posts. Community posts, available at 500 subscribers, are the most underused tool in YouTube. They keep your channel active between uploads and train the algorithm to keep showing your content to subscribers. Post 3 to 5 community posts per week, polls, behind the scenes, previews, questions. Ask questions that generate easy engagement. Which video do you want next? Share early thumbnails and ask for feedback, doubles as market research. Cross-platform funnel. Build an audience on multiple platforms that all point back to YouTube as the primary destination. Platform. Content type. Purpose. Instagram, TikTok. Short clips plus behind the scenes. Drive discovery, attract new viewers. Twitter X. Thoughts, links, threads. Build authority, connect with creators. Newsletter. Exclusive content plus video alerts. Most loyal audience, own channel. Facebook group. Community discussions. Deep engagement, super fans. Podcast. Audio versions of videos. New audience segment. Module 7 Action Items. Reply to all comments on your last 5 videos this week. Pin an engaging question as the top comment on your next video. Identify 5 potential collaboration partners in adjacent niches. Draft a collaboration pitch email that focuses on mutual value. Set up a weekly community post schedule. Start a simple email newsletter to capture your most loyal viewers. Module 8. Monetization strategies. Building multiple revenue streams from your YouTube channel. 8.1 YouTube Partner Program, Ad Revenue. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is the baseline monetization method, but it should be just one of many revenue streams. Relying solely on ad revenue is the most common financial mistake YouTubers make. YPP requirements. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, standard. Or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days. Adherence to all YouTube monetization policies. Linked AdSense account. Understanding CPM and RPM. Term. Definition. CPM, cost per mil. What advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions. RPM, revenue per mil. What you earn per 1,000 video views after YouTube's 45% cut. Average RPM. $1 to $5 for general content, $10 to $50 for finance tech business. High CPM months. October, November, December, advertisers spend peaks. Low CPM months. January, March, advertisers cut budgets post-holiday. 8.2 Channel memberships and super features. Channel memberships. Channel memberships allow subscribers to pay a monthly fee, $0.99 to $99, for exclusive perks. This creates predictable recurring revenue that is not affected by ad market fluctuations. Offer 3 membership tiers with distinct, clearly differentiated perks. Tier 1, $4.99 exclusive badge, members-only community posts. Tier 2, $9.99 early access to videos plus everything in Tier 1. Tier 3, $24.99 monthly live Q&A plus all above perks. Super thanks, super chat, super stickers. These are viewer tipping features available during live streams, super chat stickers, and on regular videos, super thanks. Mention them occasionally but don't pressure viewers. Authenticity drives more conversions than aggressive promotion. 8.3 Sponsorships and brand deals. Brand sponsorships are the most lucrative form of YouTube monetization. A mid-sized channel, 100K subscribers, can earn $2,000 to $10,000 per sponsored video. A million subscriber channel can command $20,000, $100,000 plus per deal. Sponsorship rate benchmarks. Channel size. Typical rate. Notes. 1,000 to 10,000 subs. $50 to $300 per integration. Nano-influencer rates. 10,000 to 100,000 subs. $300 to $3,000 per video. Micro-influencer market. 100,000 to 500,000 subs. $3,000 to $15,000 per video. Mid-tier influencer rates. 500K 1M subs. $15,000 to $50,000 per video. Major brand budget range. 1M plus subs. $50,000 plus per video. Top tier sponsorship rates. How to land sponsorships. Build a media kit, channel stats, audience demographics, past brand work, rates. Create a sponsor contact page on your website. Proactively pitch brands you genuinely use in your niche. Join creator marketplaces, Grapevine, Influence.co, AspireIQ, Upfluence. Deliver excellent results for your first sponsors, referrals follow. Sponsorship negotiation tips. Never accept the first offer. It's rarely the best offer. Charge more for dedicated videos versus integrated mentions. Negotiate exclusivity windows and revision rounds upfront. Request a performance-based bonus clause if video hits X views plus Y payment. Track all sponsored video metrics to show ROI to future brands. 8.4 Digital products and courses. Selling digital products is the highest margin revenue stream available to YouTubers. Once created, digital products generate passive income with no inventory, shipping, or per unit cost. Digital product types. Product type. Notes. Online course. Structured learning, highest ticket, $97, $997 plus. Ebook PDF guide. Quick start, lower price point, $9 to $49. Templates and tools. Swipe files, spreadsheets, Notion templates, $15 to $97. Presets assets. Lightroom presets, sound packs, video LUTs, $25 to $149. Coaching consulting. One-on-one time, highest per hour value, $100 to $500 per hour. Community mastermind. Paid community access, $29 to $199 per month. The content to product funnel. Your YouTube content serves as a free funnel for your paid products. Each free video should educate and build trust, while pointing viewers toward a product that provides deeper, more personal transformation. Free video, teach the concept at a high level. CTA in video, for the full system template course, link is in the description. Lead magnet, free resource in exchange for email address. Email sequence, nurture relationship, demonstrate value. Product offer, pitch the paid product to a warm, trusting audience. 8.5 Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions by recommending products, is one of the easiest monetization methods to start and can generate significant passive income over time. Best affiliate programs for YouTubers. Amazon Associates, 110% commission, massive product selection, easy to start. Sherryzale CJ Affiliate, access to thousands of brands across all niches. Software SaaS programs, typically 20-50% recurring commissions, highest value. Direct brand partnerships, negotiate custom rates directly with brands you use. Module 8 Action Items. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program if you meet requirements. Set up channel memberships with 3 clearly differentiated tiers. Build a one-page media kit with your channel stats and audience demographics. Identify 5 brands in your niche and draft a sponsorship pitch email. Identify one digital product you could create from your existing knowledge. Sign up for 3 relevant affiliate programs and add links to your best performing videos. Module 9. Analytics and data-driven growth. Using YouTube Studio to make smarter decisions. 9.1 The YouTube Studio Analytics Dashboard. YouTube Studio's Analytics Dashboard is one of the most powerful free analytics tools available to creators. Most creators spend less than 5 minutes in analytics. Successful creators live there. The 7 analytics every creator must track. Metric. Interpretation. Review frequency. Impressions CTR. 4-8% is healthy, below 3% is equal to thumbnail title problem. Weekly. Average view duration. Higher is always better, benchmark versus your own average. Per video. Audience retention percent. 50% plus is excellent, analyze drop-off points. Per video. Top traffic sources. Search versus browse versus suggested, tells you where growth is coming from. Monthly. Subscriber growth rate. Net subs per video, reveals which content grows the channel. Per video. Revenue per mil, RPM. Tracks monetization efficiency over time. Monthly. Returning versus new viewers. Community health, greater than 30% returning is equal to strong community. Monthly. 9.2 Traffic sources deep dive. Understanding where your views come from tells you where to invest your growth efforts. Different traffic sources signal different things about your channel's health. Traffic source breakdown. YouTube search, viewers found you by typing a query, SEO is working. Browse features, home recommended algorithm is pushing your content, highest growth potential. Suggested videos, your content appears alongside related videos, good sign. External, traffic from social media, blogs, other websites, cross-promotion is working. Direct unknown, subscribers coming directly to your channel or via notifications. For new channels, search traffic dominates 50-80% as you haven't yet earned algorithmic trust. As your channel grows, browse and suggested should grow to represent 40-60% of your traffic. This is when exponential growth begins. 9.3 Audience Retention Analysis. The audience retention graph is the most actionable piece of data in YouTube Studio. Every significant drop tells you a story. Learn to read it like a doctor reads an EKG. Common retention patterns and solutions. Pattern. Diagnosis and fix. Big drop in first 30 seconds. Hook is too slow or misleading. Rework your intro approach. Gradual steady decline. Normal, viewers leaving throughout, aim to flatten this curve. Sharp drop at a specific moment. That section has low value, cut it in future videos. Plateau in the middle. Great. That section is engaging, do more of what's working there. Drop at self-promotion, sponsor spot. Consider moving sponsor to after main content. Drop at 70-80% mark. Common, add a re-engagement hook near the end. 9.4 A/B testing thumbnails and titles. YouTube has rolled out native A/B thumbnail testing for eligible channels. This allows you to test two thumbnails against each other and let the algorithm determine which one drives higher CTR. Testing framework. Test one variable at a time, never change both thumbnail and title simultaneously. Let tests run for at least 72 hours to get statistically significant data. Test, bright background versus dark background, face versus no face, text overlay versus no text. After finding a winner, implement the learnings across future thumbnails. Retest top-performing old videos with new thumbnails based on learnings. 9.5 The monthly performance review. Implement a monthly analytics review ritual. Block 90 minutes every month to review these questions. Which 3 videos performed best? What do they have in common? Which 3 videos performed worst? What can I learn and change? Which traffic source grew or declined the most? Why? What is my average CTR trend over the last 3 months? What is my subscriber growth rate? Is it accelerating or decelerating? Which audience retention patterns am I seeing across all videos? Module 9 Action Items. Schedule a 90-minute analytics review this week. Identify your top 3 and bottom 3 videos, extract the insights. Analyze audience retention for your last 5 videos and note drop-off patterns. Check your traffic sources. Are you too dependent on a single source? Create a monthly analytics dashboard template to track key metrics. Module 10. Scaling, automation and long-term success. Building a sustainable YouTube business that works without burning you out. 10.1 When and how to build a team. Most creators burn out before they hit 100,000 subscribers because they try to do everything themselves. The secret to sustainable growth is identifying which tasks only you can do and outsourcing everything else. The Creator's Time Audit. Track every task you do for your channel for 2 weeks. Categorize each task. See your tasks, strategy, idea generation, on-camera performance, brand decisions, only you. Core tasks, publishing schedule, project management, systems, delegate eventually. Worker tasks, editing, thumbnail design, research, community management, outsource first. Hiring sequence. Video editor, freeze 5 to 10 hours per video, highest immediate impact. Thumbnail designer, freeze creative energy, specialization improves quality. Research assistant, builds your content pipeline so you always have ideas. Community manager, replies to comments, manages social platforms. Channel manager, handles uploads, descriptions, cards, end screens, SEO. Hiring platform. Best for Fiverr, Upwork. Freelance editors and designers, great for starting out. YouTube-specific agencies. Full-service management for advanced channels. Direct hire via LinkedIn. For long-term team members at 200K plus stage. Creator communities. Find talent in Discord communities of fellow creators. 10.2 Standard Operating Procedures, SOPs. And SOP is a documented step-by-step process for every repeatable task in your channel operation. SOPs allow you to hire people and maintain quality without micromanaging. Essential YouTube channel SOPs. Video production SOP, from idea to published, every step documented. Thumbnail creation SOP, brand guidelines, dimensions, file naming. Upload SOP, title, description template, tags, end screen, cards, publishing time. Community management SOP, how to respond to comments, when to escalate. Monthly review SOP, which metrics to pull, how to analyze, action items format. 10.3 Repurposing content for maximum reach. Every long-form YouTube video contains multiple pieces of content. A systematic repurposing strategy multiplies your output without multiplying your workload. The content repurposing matrix. Input. Output. Benefit. 1 YouTube video. 1 YouTube short, best moment. Drives shorts discovery. 1 YouTube video. 1 Instagram reel, 60 seconds clip. Builds Instagram following. 1 YouTube video. 1 TikTok video, hook moment. Reaches new demographics. 1 YouTube video. 1 Twitter X thread, key points. Builds authority in text format. 1 YouTube video. 1 newsletter issue, full write-up. Deepens email audience relationship. 1 YouTube video. 1 blog post, SEO transcription. Drives Google search traffic to YouTube. 5 YouTube videos. 1 podcast episode, audio export. New audio-only audience. 10.4 Avoiding creator burnout. Creator burnout is the #1 career ender for YouTube creators. The symptoms: loss of enthusiasm, declining quality, inconsistent posting, growing resentment toward your audience, are treatable when caught early. The Sustainable Creator Framework. Batch production, Record all month's videos into 2-3 dedicated sessions, not daily. Buffer policy, always have 2-3 videos scheduled ahead, never post in a crisis. Creative input, consume other creators' content, read books, get outside, input fuels output. Regular breaks, build plan 1 to 2 week breaks into your annual schedule. Automate ruthlessly, every task that can be systematized should be. Signs you need a break, and that's okay. You dread opening YouTube Studio. You haven't enjoyed making a video in over 2 weeks. Your comment replies are getting shorter and less genuine. You're resenting your subscribers instead of appreciating them. Solution: take 1 to 2 weeks off, communicate transparently with your audience, return refreshed. 10.5 The Long Game, 5-year channel roadmap. YouTube rewards patience and consistency more than almost any other platform. Channels that survive the first 12 to 18 months and maintain quality almost always achieve meaningful success. Here is the realistic timeline for a dedicated creator. Year-by-year benchmarks. Timeline. Typical milestones. Year 1. 0-10K subscribers, 20 to 50 videos, learning curve, first monetization. Year 2. 10K, 50K subscribers, YPP revenue, first sponsorship, finding your formula. Year 3. 50K, 200K subscribers, significant ad income, brand deal pipeline, first team member. Year 4. 200K, 500K subscribers, full-time income possible, scale team, product launches. Year 5 plus. 500K, 1M plus subscribers, 6-figure plus annual income, established brand, multiple revenue streams. These are averages. Some creators reach 1M subscribers in 18 months, others take 7 years. The difference is rarely talent, it's the quality of their strategic decisions, consistency of publishing, and willingness to analyze and adapt. Module 10 Action Items. Conduct a 2-week time audit of every task you do for your channel. Write your first SOP for video uploading and optimization. Design a content repurposing workflow for your next video. Build a 12-month publishing calendar with planned, recharge, breaks. Draft your 3-year channel vision and share it with an accountability partner. Quick reference: The Creator's Cheat Sheet. YouTube Growth Checklist, every video. Keyword optimized title, primary keyword in first 5 words. Custom thumbnail, face plus text plus contrast colors. Full SEO description with timestamps and links. Relevant tags, primary keyword plus variations. End screen with best for viewer plus subscribe button. Cards pointing to related content. Pinned comment with engaging question. Community post teasing the video day before. Shorts clip published same day or within 48 hours. Reply to all comments within first 48 hours. Retention formula. Hook, 0 to 30 sec. Value delivery loop pattern interrupt every 2 to 3 min mid-video re-engagement final value delivery CTA end screen. The 7 revenue streams. Stream. Characteristics. When to start.
1.
Ad revenue, YPP. Passive, requires volume. 1000 subs 4000 hours.
2.
Sponsorships. Highest per video income. 1,000 plus subs minimum.
3.
Memberships. Recurring, predictable. Available at 500 subs.
4.
Digital products. Highest margin, passive. Any size, start early.
5.
Affiliate marketing. Passive, scalable. Any size, start now.
6.
Merchandise. Brand extension, community. 50K plus subs for viability.
7.
Coaching consulting. Highest per hour value. Any size, start now. The creator's daily habits. 30 minutes, watch 3 to 5 videos in your niche, research plus inspiration. 15 minutes, engage with comments across all recent videos. 15 minutes, post a community update or social media content. 60 minutes, work on your next video, scripting, recording, or editing. 10 minutes, review analytics of your most recent video. You now have everything you need. The only thing that separates successful creators from those who never make it is the decision to start and the discipline to keep going.